If your Windows 11 taskbar just froze, here's the fastest way to fix it. Restart the Windows Explorer by opening the Task Manager, find the Windows Explorer, then click Restart. If it still lags, open the command prompt as an administrator and run the following commands. First one to scan it, and the second command is to do the cleanup. Next one is to install Windows updates and update your GPU driver for NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Make sure sometimes the Windows updates, the last one maybe give you this problems or some GPU problems also from your drivers. So keep always updating your drivers. If you're still stuck, boot into safe mode. If the taskbar works there, it's likely a third-party application you have installed recently. So uninstall it to solve this issue. You can also test it with a new user account. The last resource is use reset this PC to rebuild Windows without losing files. And that's it. Try these steps. Let me know in the comment which one it works for you. If you have any question, let me know, and see you in the next one. Peace.